Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and creating the Event Hub's namespace. This is where your hub's live. Once done, pick a clear namespace name and pricing tier so capacity fits expected throughput. Make sure to assign an IAM role with Event Hub's rights and choose resource group and region that meet latency and compliance needs. This lets you proceed without backtracking. Now, open the Azure portal or CLI and start creating the namespace resource. Don't skip network choices. You now create the Event Hub itself, choosing partitions based on parallel consumers and retention based on data lifecycle. Then configure consumer groups to separate read workloads and enable capture if you want events persisted to storage automatically. Make sure to adjust throughput units or auto-inflate to match peak load. For security, pick shared access policies for simple keys or Azure AD for fine-grained control, and confirm TLS is enforced. Once configured, validate settings before saving. Finish by retrieving the connection string or assigning a managed identity to your clients. You will need these to produce and consume events. Then run a simple producer and consumer test while watching metrics like incoming MB/S and throttled requests. If things go wrong, make sure to check quota limits, network firewall, and VNet rules, and that SAS tokens or certificates haven't expired. If you still see issues, enable diagnostics logs and consult throttling metrics to identify the next corrective step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.